Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to get thumbnails on your iPhone videos that are .mov files on your Windows 10 or 11 PC. And this is rather easy. So you can see I have some image files here that are coming up, but these are .mov files. So if I right click on them and then go on down to properties here, you can see the exact file that they are. So these are MOV files. I imported these from my iPhone and I have thumbnails now. Before I didn't, and this was very annoying. So how I did this was rather easy. I went to google.com, a search browser, and I typed in this application, Icaros, Icaros. And I just went to this first link right here on videohelp.com, and I was able to go ahead and get this right here. And I'm going to open this up on my computer now since I have it downloaded and installed. Go to search Icaros, and the application will look like this. Let's go ahead and open this up and then go to yes. So my screen went blank because I had to click something. Now, when this is open, it's going to look like this. And we want to make sure the thumbnailing is activated right here. And then I have properties activated and the cache disabled. But it's very important that you add the .mov file into here. So we want to go to this little plus icon right here and select this. So if you are having an issue with any file, simply just add the file into here. So I went to my folder, which is my external hard drive, my Sony a6400 photos, and then the date. I just simply clicked on file, and then I went to open. And I literally just added it to this list. Then I went back on over to my folder and everything was appearing now. Another thing you might want to do is refresh after adding it. So right click into here. Then we want to go to show more properties and go to refresh. And just refresh your thumbnails and it should show up. And I can actually see my thumbnail and know what video I'm going to be clicking on ahead of time. So before it was just blank icons, really difficult to know which video was which because everything was just labeled image. So very difficult. Hopefully this quick little video did indeed help you guys out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe my channel down below for more tech out videos coming up next on Your Six Studios.